Hi, I am CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's sheet metal modeling basics to help you master design workflow efficiently. Sheet metal parts are typically created using a combination of sheet metal and feature commands. After entering the modeling interface, click on the tab in the toolbar to switch to the sheet metal module toolbar. Select the base flange command. Choose the front view datum plane as the sketch plane. Use the centerline command to draw a straight line and add dimension constraints. Select the center line. Convert the center line to a solid line. Exit the sketch. Set the relevant parameters and complete the creation of the base flange. Edge flange command. Set the bend parameters. Select the edge S to be bent, supporting the selection of multiple continuous edges. Click OK to complete the creation of the edge flange. Click the edge flange command again. Select multiple edges to be bent. Auto add miter. Click OK to complete the creation of the edge flange. We can also complete the creation of such sheet metal bends through the miter flange command. Select the face perpendicular to the bend edge. Create a sketch. Draw the bend profile and add dimensions. Select the miter flange command. Select the sketch and the edge S to be bent. Can quickly create such continuous bends. Select the bent face. Create a sketch. Draw the forming command baseline. Select the forming command. Choose the louver option. Select the sketch, set the relevant parameters, and create the louver. Create a new part. Use the top view datum plane as the sketch plane to draw a circle with a diameter of 23. Click the extrude boss divided by base command. Extrude down 3. Draft angle 15. Switch to the sheet metal toolbar. Click the forming tool command. Set the stop face and reference point. Complete the creation of the forming tool. Expand the right knowledge base. Click Add to Knowledge Base. Select the input document. Name, file type, choose Forming Tool. Complete the creation of the forming tool. Switch to the sheet metal part. Click the stamping command. Switch to the stamping tool. Select the tool saved earlier. Select the stamping face, position the reference point, and complete the creation of the base foot. Use the extrude cut command to create the back socket installation hole. Use the extrude cut command to create the installation hole. Use the chamfer command to add fillets to the sheet metal right angle edges. Hem command. Select the edge. Set the hem size. Can quickly generate sheet metal hems. Unfold and fold command. Can unfold or fold the selected sheet metal plane. Generate the sheet metal drawing. Create the basic view. Click Model View, check Flat Pattern, set parameters, and create the Flat Pattern view. Or drag the Flat Pattern view directly into the View palette. Click Table Bend Allowance Table. Click the Flat Pattern view. The Bend Allowance table appears following the mouse. Click the drawing again to place it. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's sheet metal modeling. Now, visit www.CrownCAD.com to start your design journey.